Hey, it's Austin, it's Grade 24. I just wanted to show you this thing. Just wait 1 minute. Just wait 1 minute. And, sorry, that was my deodorant that fell. I just want to show you this light. How, if you go like this, watch this. This one goes down. It's like a show. Hello, how are you? It keeps doing it. If you stay on this one, if you stay on it for a while, it will blink. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. What's the first light? There's 4 lights. The second one goes off when you turn off like a muffin. But this one blinks all the time. It's pretty weird. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's gonna blink any minute now. Does it all the time. Watch. It's gonna go soon. It blinks all the time when you waste like a couple of minutes. I know. It's funny though how that one goes off and this one blinks. When I'm waiting, I'm just gonna show you. I gotta pay attention because it sees me. But I'll catch the blinky light. I will. I just want to show you my laundry room in the bathroom. It's gonna go eventually. I'm just gonna tell you about online school. It's okay. The one subject you should never take online is gym. You do not want to take gym online. They do stretches instead. I'm taking English online. It's pretty good and pretty well. Like I said, I'm hopefully to get into the library before I'm 40. And then if I am, I made another YouTube channel called Story Times with Noah. But that won't be until like 2028 or later. But it won't be connected to the library. That'll be my own personal account at my home time during my days off. Yeah. That's why I keep saying this light's haunted, because this one goes off, and when you go off, I'm just gonna show you something else when I'm waiting for this light. Because it's watching me now. It thinks it's have eyes, so it's not gonna blink. If I step out of the room, watch, it's gonna go. But yeah. That one's not gonna go for a while. It takes time before it's been like 3 minutes and it hasn't blinked yet. But eventually, that one goes off and that one goes on. It looks like a magic show. I'll get back to you later. It will go eventually. But I'm gonna keep an eye on it. When I am keeping an eye on it, yeah, if I catch it, it will go off eventually. So right now, I'm just gonna explain this new ginger ale that I have. This new ginger ale I have, it's new in Canada. It's a ginger ale cereal, C-E-R-O. And in French it's Nouvelle. Yeah, even that second light looks even darker now. This one won't blink because it knows the camera's on it. See, you just blink at me when I said that. But it's so weird how all these lights, like how this light, if I stay in this room for a while, the first light does blink a lot. It's really weird. It's not gonna do it because the camera's on right now. It thinks it has eyes, really. But I do get ghosts. But that's not ghost. This is a manufacturing with the lights. Look at my nail that I have actually right here. Sorry guys if this might scare you. It's pretty bad. I got that from a burn from work. I'm a dishwasher and sometimes when you touch stuff out of gloves, it kind of burns your hands. And I had a hand nail too, and I touched stuff with my elephants at my condo. I'm vegan up. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you some blood real fast. This is from the shin pads. When you don't have shin pads on properly, that's what you get when you're playing soccer and you're playing defense. That's the kind of scrapes you get. Yeah, so it's hitting a shin pad, but the shin pad was pretty bad. Remember guys, always wash your shin pads. This is the loudest furnace, and this is the biggest furnace in Canada. Look at how big this furnace is. It's huge. Sometimes I had to turn it off to sleep because it's so damn loud. I'm kidding. I'm a deep sleeper. I can sleep anywhere. And I can get asleep by noise. The only thing that wakes me up is a bell. A doorbell. Or a telephone. Ring. Or knocking. Anything with a pound, pound, pound. Yeah. Oh, what do I else have in my fridge? Okay. I'll show you. That's what I have in my fridge. The eggs are brown. I don't know why. Sometimes the eggs kind of is pretty bad. I have oat milk, cereal, and an original chicken pot pie, and cheese at the bottom with apples and pear, and then